Post-construction termite treatment must include treating and sealing expansion joints because those gaps can become primary entry points for subterranean termites. Treat expansion joint voids by probing with a flexible injection probe and injecting a labeled termiticide foam or liquid into the joint cavity until product returns at other holes or the void feels saturated. Use a closed cell backer rod size to compress slightly into the gap and apply an approved elastomeric sealant over the rod to create a continuous vertical seal that resists washout and maintains flexibility with slab movement. Where joints are wide enough in construction permits, install thin metal or heavy polymer sleeve barriers that extend below grade and lap the slab edges to provide a physical break against termite tunneling. Make sure sleeves are corrosion resistant and anchored so they do not displace during slab settling. Avoid burying untreated construction debris near the joint and keep landscaping and mulch trimmed away from slab edges so moisture and wood contact are minimized because termites follow moisture gradients and wood. For post-construction work plan inspections at set intervals during the first 2 years after slab placement and then annually documenting joint condition, seal integrity, and any signs of mud tubes or frass so treatments can be repeated before infestations establish. When applying chemicals, follow label directions exactly for dilution, injection pressure, application rate, and personal protective equipment to ensure efficacy and compliance. Common mistakes include injecting product only at the surface without reaching the full void depth, which leaves untreated pathways. To avoid that, use extension probes and inject until you see product return or resistance indicates cavity fill. Another common error is using an incompatible sealant that degrades or traps moisture. Select an elastomeric sealant approved for concrete joints and pair it with an appropriate closed cell backer rod to maintain a proper bond and movement capability. Homeowners and contractors sometimes skip follow-up inspections because the visible seal looks intact, but hidden tunneling can continue. Establish and keep a written inspection schedule and photograph joints at each visit so changes are tracked over time. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who do termite mitigation and joint sealing, and to help contractors connect with nearby work opportunities. We also host an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos about joint treatment methods and post-construction termite prevention.